Mm-hmm.
Now how can we start?
Why?
Because Mama didn't say action when she pushed it. Hello, welcome back to Crazy Lizzie. My name is Susan and this is Yay. Y'all know I went to a competition. I'm coming back on farm day again. I've been so busy for another fair. Okay, in Fort Payne competition to go. This one won 4th place.
3rd place.
Ribbon. This is my ribbon haul, everyone.
3rd place.
3rd place. Ribbon. Again, this is Yay. She's pretty. And everything. Okay, see y'all in the next ribbon. Okay, we're back on the next ribbon. This is Gigi. And she really don't like dogs. She won 1st place in her category.
Fourth.
Okay. Going to the next ribbon.
Wait.
Okay, this is my Nubian, Tristan. In her category, she wins 2nd place.
Yay!
Yay! Okay, here we go. Going to the next go.
Go.
Okay, this is Firestorm. Again, this is a Nubian. Hi! That's how it goes. In the same category, that one, this one wins 1st place. Yay! Okay, see you on the next go. This is Cupcake, and she was in the cheering session, and she won this yellow ribbon.
5th place.
5th place. Okay, I'm going to show you one more go, and that'll be a blue ribbon and another ribbon. Okay, here we go. This is Gracie. She won a blue ribbon, and she won another ribbon. Let me get it. It's right here. Yay! She won a big ribbon.
Grand champion.
Grand champion.
And recorded gray.